Dyeddee's sister has came up finally. Hey, girl. Hey, Dyeddee's older. His sister. That's Paul's baby right now. Dyeddee's older sister. Dyeddee's our kitten, or kitten that's inside the house. Dyeddee's a runt with a litter. Hey, girl. Hey, hey, girl. She's a stray. Girl, Dyeddee's sister. Wow, she looks twice as big as he is. Who's on the... You move a plug in. You're rubbing my feet down here. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. I forgot what we named you back then when you were a kitten. Will you move plug in at my feet? Hey, girl. Ain't you a pretty girl, baby? Uh-oh. Hey, girl. You remember me? We put cream on your eyes back then, and your mom took you away from us, hid you. Oh, and she took a hiss at plug-in. Hey, I look like my brother, Dyedee. Hey, girl. Hey, girl, you remember me? Ooh. I'm still kind of skittish. Hey, girl. See, I'm a stray. Hey, girl. Oh, she's going to get on the porch and look for something to eat. So I'll just go get her something. If we got anything for her. Don't mess with her plug-in.